Halfway there. So, welcome to week 4. It's been a great past 3 weeks. You guys are one of the most interactive classes I've ever taught. You guys really have taken it to that next level. So, great job. Papers turned out wonderful from this last week. So, we're just going to bridge into learning activity number 1, which is the virtual classroom tonight. So I asked a couple of you to bring a character that we can attune to and try to draw out some of this character stuff that might be driving some of the career problems. So a lot of you this last week in your analysis of the case study did a great job trying to go underneath and looking at what's driving some of this stuff. I think it was brilliant work. So I'm looking forward to doing that tonight, and hopefully I can be more of a therapist tonight and jump in every now and again, and we can talk about some of the reasons why I'm going after X, Y, or Z, and then you doing the same. So I think let's get more into what's driving it tonight. Really the first part. So, and then activity 2, we go nicely into that. So, during the call, you're going to touch base like you usually do, and then you're going to do an exercise. So, role play a situation in which the counselee is struggling to find his or her punchline. So, there's a video on here that will talk about the punchline term. So, then you engage your homework partner in the rocking chair exercise, where they imagine being 90 and looking back over their lives. What did they achieve? What makes them feel fulfilled? What added meaning to their life? Ask them to think specifically what they did and are proud of in their careers, and what is their punchline. So, how do you do that without asking questions? So it's a little bit of a leading, and you will have to ask questions for this one. So try not to ask as much and lean more into the attunement. That way you can practice that part. See if you can find a way to get to those answers without using the question. If you can't, that's fine. And then you're going to switch roles and you'll be the counselee for the second part. Then it's learning activity number 3, which is 307 to 319 in what color is your parachute. But the actual assignment will be over this article, and the course resources listed 30 tips for new career counselors. So basically you're going to identify 3 of the 30 tips that stand out and explain why they stand out to you. Try to tie them to character, why they fit in for the character model, and then discuss how you would apply these tips in your own career counseling practice or how you might employ them with future clients. And then activity number 3 is the flower exercise. So this thing's 4 to 6 pages, and it addresses the following. Share the overall results of doing your flower inventory. Now it'll walk you through it in the What Color is Our Parachute book, pages 125 to 197. And then you identify the discoveries that surprised you, confirmed what you already knew about yourself, and or challenged what you thought about yourself. Then discuss key insights you gained from completing the inventory, address the strengths and limitations, and provide an example of how you would integrate this inventory into your own work with a future client in career counseling. Okay, so then that's due by Monday night, or by Sunday night at midnight. Is worth 80 points. So this is a big one, but a lot of it will include just your analysis of the inventory itself. So should be a pretty light week. Looking forward to seeing you guys tonight, and great stuff so far. See you tonight.